Hello, I'm Olivier Varin, working as product manager for Froid-Labo. Today, I will introduce new ULT freezer models to offer you new solution in ultra-low temperature storage. Froid-Labo product range actually includes centrifuge to prepare the sample, refrigerators, freezers, and ULT freezers to store sample in cold temperatures, blast freezers and incubators to control sample. If you need to test or validate your sample regarding the temperature impact, we propose temperature forcing system or ovens. And if you need to test your sample regarding temperature and humidity impact, our climatic chambers will match with your requirements. Today, I will focus on sample storage at -80 degrees. We are completing our range of ULT freezers with several models based on dual cooling technology. Froid-Labo introduced its new BioMemory dual cooling range to offer premium performance with dual cooling technology at an affordable price. We consider that we can offer the best ratio, quality, performance, and price on the market for premium models. As it is for our existing model, BioMemory dual cooling models are designed for sample storage of RNA, DNA, piece of tissues, microorganism, or finished product in food industry. The key benefits of those models are the use of dual cooling technology. It guarantees the highest level of safety. If one compressor failed, the second one can keep unit at -80 degrees. But until now, the limit of dual cooling technology was cooling performances compared to the two cascade technology. With our system, we offer high temperature homogeneity, fast temperature recovery time. It is a significant difference compared to the existing models on the market. Thanks to the use of variable speed compressor and VIP plus insulation, we have a low power consumption. We recommend to use our BioMemory dual cooling if you are working in industry, pharmaceutical company, or biotech, because you need maximum safety level. If you want to be compliant with sample storage and ISO certification, good manufacturing process, dual cooling technology delivers the best features for you and guarantee to keep sample at -80 degrees, even something happen in the cooling circuit. The worst case could be a defaulted compressor in one ULT freezers during the weekend. With dual cooling, the second compressor will keep temperature at -80 until the defaulted compressor will be repaired. The low power consumption has a significant impact on the cost of operation. Today, for a 700 liters model, the power consumption is 8.5 kilowatt a day. And if we compare to the 500 liters model, we can guarantee that less than 7 kilowatt a day as power consumption. It's very low. And even the end users are opening the door several times a day. We guarantee a fast temperature recovery time when you close the door. The software includes secret access with different user profile. How dual cooling technology works? It's very simple to understand. As described in the drawing on the left side here, you have two independent cooling circuits with the ability to reach -86 degrees, each of them. We are using a mix of gas to deliver the expected cooling efficiency in each circuit. Also, now you can understand that if one cooling circuit has failed, the second one can work independently until the repair is done. We are also using variable speed compressor, the last generation of variable speed compressor, to guarantee the lowest power consumption possible. But the cabinet is also a very important part of the performance. The cabinet produced in our factory is with an efficient insulation, including last year's generation of VIP and the double door design. The double door design means the main door with a gasket to close the system efficiently, and each internal door also have a gasket. But last but not least, our interface is easy to use and includes all features required by our users. We tested the performance of our equipment. Here you have the results for the BioMemory dual cooling 568 liters model. We choose this model because this is the model that the majority of customers are choosing on the market. The pull down time. We need 3 hours, 30 minutes to reach -80 degrees from room temperature. It means that if you start the unit, if you turn on the unit on the morning, before the lunchtime, you will reach -80 degrees. It means that your operation will be really facilitated. I spoke before about the efficiency to recover the time, to recover the temperature when you open the door. If you open the main door and the top internal door during 15 seconds, only 6 minutes are needed to recover -80 degrees at the top shelves. And you can see that the center shelves and the bottom part of the cabinet is not affected anymore by the door opening. And this is exactly the same for 1 minute door opening. The center probes and bottom probes are not affected by the door opening, and we only need 17 minutes to recover -80 degrees at the top probes. The temperature homogeneity is plus or minus 2.5 degrees at -80 degrees, which is clearly really efficient. And we can guarantee all of this performance with a power consumption of less than 8 kilowatts a day. Also, we guarantee the highest level of safety for your samples thanks to unique benefits. Fast recovery time, 13 minutes to recover -80 degrees, the mean value after door opening. High temperature uniformity, and the longest defrost time. The data are not shown here, but we guarantee 5 hours before reaching -50 degrees when the system is turned off. And all benefits listed here can be offered with a competitive price. We compare our 500 model with the top player on the market. Here you have the table where we listed the key features, and you can see in green all features where our biomemory dual cooling models are the best compared to the competitor P and H. Also, you can easily understand that with a very competitive price, we can offer the best feature on the market. How you can compare the new biomemory dual cooling if with the existing Froid-Labo model of ULT freezers. Our actual model, the Evolution model, is mainly recommended for hospital, for biobank, for research centers. Why? Because we offer large volume with a small flow footprint. This is the main requirement for this type of customer. Hospital, biobank, and research center has also multiple users that can open the door during the day. And we can also guarantee very fast temperature recovery time to guarantee the safety of the sample. Even we are working with existing model with a 2-cascade system, we have a low power consumption, around 11 kilowatt a day. And we can guarantee for all models we now have in our range of product, we can guarantee traceability and data management. You can record history of what happens on the unit regarding alarm, regarding door opening, different parameters, and you can export all records on USB stick. All information I share with you are available on froidlabo.com. I will now show you how to find this information on our website. To reach the ULT freezer section, you can select in product ultra low temperature freezer minus 86 degrees. You will get access to the complete range of product we can offer you. Here is the new biomemory dual cooling freezer section. I will select this section and you will be able to see all information on the different model. You have a product description to focus on the last generation of smart interface, to give you some information about the power consumption, the level of performance, some explanation on dual cooling system, and you can also choose the model you need. Here you have the list of model with the 568-liter model. We also have a 708-liter model, and the largest one is an 818-liter model. You can buy all of this model with some options or accessories. We can propose you like liquid nitrogen backup system or a CO2 backup system if needed for your certifications, and you can choose the rack you need to put inside the cabinet to store your sample. The user manual is available on the website, and if you need to download the datasheets, you can find the datasheet in French language and English language for each model. For example, I will open the datasheet for the 568 model. You can get all benefits I already mentioned. You can get data about the power consumption. We will be able to share with you the level of guarantee we offer, 2 years on spare parts and labor, 5 years warranty on the compressors, and 10 years warranty on the insulation of the cabinet. And it's very important also to look at that you can find all specification about the model. If I come back to the website, I would like to finish my presentation by showing the technical notes available on the website. The technical notes includes all results I share with you during this presentation. You can find how we manage the record of the temperature during the test, how we perform the test, and all results regarding the pull-down test, the temperature homogeneity analysis, the power consumption, and the door, the way we recover the temperature after door opening. Also, if you need further information or if you have questions about our product, please contact Froid Labo on the website or at the following email address. Thank you very much for your attention, and we will be very happy to support you if needed for your future project.